Thinning helps you to have very good quality fruits.
Apple thinning is the process of removing excess fruitlets to improve the size, quality, and flavor of the remaining apples on the tree. This helps prevent branch breakage from overloading and encourages annual fruiting by reducing strain on the trees.
When your apple fruit is fruiting this way, what you need to do is something we call thinning. Because if you don't do thinning, hey, you will not have quality fruits. And what do you check when you're doing thinning? You check for the malnourished. Zenye ziko na kwashako. There are apples with kwashako. So that is what you check. Like example, this one, you can check this one is not strong one. So you remove. Unatoa. So kwa kila fruit, you need to have maximum 3. But if they are near, the clusters near each other, you need to have 2. Kama hii, so you have to also remove this more nourished, so you remain with the 2 quality one. Those ones are okay, these ones are okay. These ones tunatoa hii moja. Why are we removing? Look at the dents. These are the one we are checking. So you check which is more nourished, because this is not a good quality for the market. Ndio unatoa. Also this one you can check. We are not removing a quality one, we are removing the one which we see is not looking good. Because of this one, so we remain with 3 there.
This one,
which one? Oh, imejitolea yenyewe. Amua hii inaitwa nini? Hatutawezana.
Thinning stops the cycle of having heavy production in one year and poor production in the next year. As you practice thinning in the farm, air circulation and sunlight within the leaves and the branches is improved, reducing the issue of pests and diseases within your apples.
Thinning helps you to have very good quality fruits, which are good for the market and ready for the market. So 2 or 3 fruits are enough. So like this one, this tree is okay. And here we have some ngonjwa. This is the ANTHRACNOSE, and with calcium deficiency. You can see this is a ANTHRACNOSE. Also, it's also an effect of apple scamp, and because it is cracking, that shows that there is a deficiency of calcium in this tree.
Anthracnose is another disease. When we were scouting the farm, the people behind me doing the same thing right now. We discovered anthracnose is another disease that is troubling apples.
Anthracnose ni aina ya baridi. So anthracnose we use zile madawa ziko na difenoconazole na azathioprine. Hizo ziko effective sana na kwa kuponya hiyo anthracnose. Ile masaa mzuri tunasemaga kupiga dawa ni very early in the morning 6 ama very late in the evening from 5 or from 6. Ndio jua sasa iko imepungua. Tuna prevent kitu inaitwa scorching. Najua madawa ina scorch sana. So ukitumia madawa hiyo masaa ya jioni hakuna jua. So hakuna ile reaction ya madawa. So ni vizuri unatumia asubuhi sana ama jioni.
Right. Anthracnose will not trouble you in the farm right now, because at least you have some knowledge, a little knowledge on how to deal with them. There's the organic way. If you want to see the organic way, go back to the videos. And if you want to do the modern way, depends on what farming you're doing, you have knowledge. From Eldoret, it's au revoir.